Well friends, here is the problem number 30 and the given problem is A, B, C, D, E and F are 6 students. Among them, E is taller than F, A is taller than B, A is shorter than C, D is shorter than F, B and E are of equal heights. Then, which of the following represents the tallest and the shortest pair of students? Well friends, this is the given question. In the given question, A, B, C, D, E and F are 6 students such that E is taller than F. E is taller than F. Okay. Next, A is taller than B. A is taller than B. Good. Now, A is shorter than C. A is shorter than C, which implies C is taller than A. Okay. Now, D is shorter than F. D is shorter than F, which is nothing but F is taller than D. Okay. Now, B and E are of equal heights. I am having B and E are of equal heights. Well friends, now let us group all these relationships. First of all, let me go with the letter A. A is taller than B. But when you observe it carefully, C is taller than A. For that reason, first I will consider the letter C. That is, C is taller than A, whereas A is taller than B. This A is taller than B. Fine? Okay. Now look at here. B is equal to E. So I will consider D is equal to E. Thereafter, E is taller than F. E is taller than F. And further, F is taller than D. F is taller than D. Now this indicates that among 6 students, C is the tallest and D is the shortest. Now the given question is, which of the following represents the tallest and the shortest pair of students? As per our answer, C is the tallest and D is the shortest. Let us check the given options A and B, which does not suit with our answer. B and C, which is not also suiting with our answer. Now third option C and D, which matches with our answer exactly. Therefore option 3 is the right option. Well friends, we will see some more number of problems.